students, welcome to my class Easy Maths Jyoti IAS Davangere. It's a class for 7th standard students, CBSE NCERT syllabus and also for Karnataka state syllabus. In that, the second chapter, fractions and decimals, exercise number 2.7, division of the decimal numbers. In that, the fifth main, find. Here, one whole number is given, another decimal number given. How we have to divide it? Write the whole number as it is and divide it by 3.5. 3.5 is in the decimal form is converted into the fraction form, that is equals to right for the point put 1 and for one number one digit is there put 10, that is 35 by 10. 3.5 is nothing but 35 by 10. How? It's easy method. Put in the denominator for the position of the decimal put 1. After that, how many digits are there? Only one digit. Write 1 0. The number is written as it is 35 by 10. Now, do the division as usual. 7 into 10 by 35. That is equals to 7 ones are 7 fives are 5 ones are 5 twos are. It cancels. Yes. Here 36 is written as it is divided by 0.2. 0.2 is converted in the fraction form as in the denominator, right? For the decimal point put 1. After that, how many digits are there? Only one digit. That is 2 by 10. 2 by 10. That is 36 into when dividing it converts into multiplication. We have to take the reciprocal. Therefore, 2 ones are 2 8s. That is equals to 180. Understood, students? How we are doing? Yes. Here both are decimal numbers. Convert these decimal numbers to the fraction. What I told, for the decimal point put 1. After that, how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. Therefore, we are writing 2 zeros and the number is written as it is. Divided by 4. Then, for the decimal point put 1. After that, how many digits? Only one digit. Okay. Then 5 by 10. Now simplify this. 325 by 100 divided by will become multiplication and we have to take the reciprocal of that number. That is equals to 5 ones are 5 6 and 5 5s are. Okay. 0 0 get cancels. That is 65 by 10. That is equals to 6.5. Now 30.94. 30.94 can be written as, first write the denominator by looking at the decimal point. For the decimal point, write 1. How many zeros are there? How many digits are there after the decimal point to the right? 2 digits, right? Take 2 zeros. Okay. And then write the number as it is. And divided by 0.7 for the decimal point. Write 1. How many digit is there? Only one digit. That is 7 by 10. 3094 divided by 100 into 10 by 7. Okay. That is equals to 7 ones are 7 fours are. 28, 29 is there 7 fours are. And 7 twos are. 0 0 get cancels. That is equals to 442 by 10 is nothing but 44.2. Okay. Then 0.5 is for point put 1 and 0 is that 5 by 10 divided by for the decimal point put 1. How many digits are there? 2 digits. Write 2 zeros. 25 by 100. That is 5 by 10. This divide will become multiplication and we have to take the reciprocal of that number. 5 ones are 5 fives are Then 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are, that is equals to 0 0 get cancels, only 2 gets remains, that is equals to, here the decimal point put 1, how many digits are there? After the decimal point 2 zeros, that is 7.7 775 by 100 divided by 0.25 is nothing but in the decimal point write 1. How many digits are there? 2 digits, write 2 zeros. And 25 is written as it is. Now how we have to simplify? How we are going to divide? Yes, division will become multiplication and we have to take the reciprocal of this number, therefore 100 by 25. That is 0 0 get cancels, 100 get cancelled. 25 25 ones are 25 threes are 25 ones are 25 threes are 75, 25 is remaining, therefore 31 is the answer. Okay, let us come to the end of my class. Keep watching my videos and do subscribe, do like and do share to your friends. Thank you for watching, students. Okay, bye bye. Bye, students.